In this session, we will learn how to build the automation for the RPA challenge. All the data present in the Excel file has to be entered into the RPA challenge in web form. To begin with, let's open the UiPath Studio and start with the browser activity. We will search for the browser activity in the Activities panel. Let's drag and drop the Use Application/Browser activity. Let's indicate the Chrome browser where we have already opened up the RPA challenge. Now we need to go ahead and click on the Start button. In order to perform the click function, we'll use click activity. Let's search for the click activity and let's drop it to the designer panel. Now let's indicate the click function. Now target the Start button and click confirm. Now let's manually go ahead and click on the Start button in order to start the automation. As we already know, the data is present in the Excel file, which means we need to loop across each and every row in this Excel. Now it's time we begin with the Excel activity. Let's go ahead and search for Use Excel File activity. We'll drag and drop Use Excel File activity. In my case, the RPA challenge Excel file is stored in the desktop. Now let's quickly indicate the desktop location and indicate the Excel file. Next, as we need to loop across each and every element in the Excel file, we'll use for each Excel row activity. Now drag and drop for each Excel row activity. Now let's indicate the worksheet in the Excel file. We'll click on the plus icon. From the Excel file, we'll select Sheet 1. Our Excel file also has column name, which means in the studio we need to mention that it has headers. Now since we can loop across each and every element, which means each and every row, we'll go ahead and select type into activity. Let's search for type into activity and drag and drop inside the for each Excel row. Now we'll start with the first type into activity for the first name and gradually we'll use the type into activity for each and every field which is present in the web page. Now let's click on Indicate in Chrome and let's indicate the first name text field. Now click Confirm. Now go ahead and click on the plus icon and from the current row we will choose first name field. Perfect. Now we'll go ahead and complete each and every element present in the form by this same method. Let's drag and drop another type into activity. Now this time we'll go ahead and select the last name field. Let it wait to anchor the element. Perfect. Let's click on Confirm. We'll choose the element from current row and we are going ahead and choosing last name. Now let's drag and drop another type into activity, but in this case we'll go ahead and select company name. Perfect. Let's click on Confirm. And let's choose the company name from the Excel file. The next type into activity will be for role in company and we'll indicate the role in company field text. And we'll wait for auto anchoring and click Confirm. Let's choose the role in company from the Excel file. Now drag and drop another type into activity and indicate address and then click Confirm. Let's choose the address field from the Excel file. Now drag and drop another type into activity and let's indicate the email field and click Confirm. Now let's choose email from the Excel file. And now let's use the last type into activity and indicate phone number field and click Confirm. Now let's choose the phone number field from the Excel file. That's it. As you can see, we have indicated each and every text field present over here, which means only one button is remaining and that is Submit button. So we need to go ahead and use the click activity to perform the click on the Submit button. Let's search for the click activity in the search bar and drag and drop the activity. Now quickly go ahead and indicate the Submit button. Wait for auto anchoring and click Confirm. Awesome. Let's quickly scan whether we have completed everything. So yes, we have completed everything perfectly. Now go ahead and run this automation. Before running the automation, make sure that all the tabs in Chrome are closed.